Oh, awesome, right? So hello there. What I'm doing right now is called Realtime Gen. Even though you can see on the left side, but I only have a blue circle, the one on the right side is being affected on whatever I do on the left side. If I increase this toggle button right there, it will affect it also. So each and every one of this one is being discussed later on in this video, so please stay at till the end. So this is called Real-10 or Real Gen AI generation, and if I hover this option right there, if I put girl in city like so, everything here I do is basically it. And there are some tools here to have some fun with. For example, there's a triangle there. We can have it like that. So basically on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to generate real-time AI image upscaler and AI enhancer with Crea AI patterns and logo illusions for 2024. So this is gonna be the landing page inside Crea, and this should be the one you're seeing also on your end. Before we get started, let's head over to pricing. Let me just click on that option right there. Now once you're here, these are the prices you have free for a month. I have this one. Actually, it has a limit of 50 generative AI per month, and that is pretty good for now, since you're just testing the waters for this Crea AI. This is the basic, pro, and max. And by the way, you only need your Google account, even if it's a dummy one, to try this one out. So let's go back to the landing page. So for this video, we're going to discuss real-time gen, upscale and enhance, and of course the last one, AI patterns. Let's start first with the real-time gen. Click on this button run, and let's wait for it. So for real-time gen, it's going to be this one. You'll have two options. You have text to image and then image to image. You also have the option to screen to image. Basically, this one is that AI will check whatever you have on your screen. And moving on with the next one, this is for camera. But for this one, it will ask for your external web camera. So for this video, we're only going to discuss text to image and image to image. Let's start first with text to image. If you're familiar with my videos before, I have made journey and a lot of things going on with AI. Just enter a prompt and you have an image. Basically, that's the idea. So let's try this one right here. I'm gonna put for now a boy in a city. I see right there a little boy in city. It's gonna be reactive, real time. So as you can see right there, for example, I am gonna add something on my prompt. It will react. A boy in a city wearing red. As you see like there, even one word added will be reactive on the photo itself. You'll have two options here. For example, if you don't like this photo, click that variation button and you'll have a different result. Another one for your own, there we have it. And then this one right here is random prompt. This is used, for example, you don't have any idea on how to work on this AI. So if you click on random prompt right there, this is the prompt that the AI gave us. Neon lit Tokyo streets, shadow hinting at otherworld dangers. If I click variations right there, it will give me other results. Basically, that's the idea. Also, you'll have the models over here. You have default, portrait, you'll have concept, CGI, and of course, cartoon. You can also enhance it for quick enhance like so. Only took 3 seconds. And by the way, guys, that is not the enhance part just yet. We have the enhance upscale at the later part of the video, so please stay until the end. On this button right there, you can download the image, go straight to your PC with no hassle. You can share it to your friends and upscale it over there. But for this upscale, I'm gonna do it at the end of the video. Now, since this is gonna be text to image, let's focus now on image to image. Just click that button right there, and we have it on here. I'm gonna click on portrait for now. So I have that model right there. I'm gonna delete everything here so I can take you step by step. So on this options on tools on the left side, this is for the one that you move a lot. This option is for shapes. This is generate image. Basically for this one, for example, let me just delete this shape right so, because we don't need that. It will ruin our image. Give me a second here. I think I just need to click that. Perfect. So generate image like so. You can enter your own prompt here. For example, for this video, I'm gonna enter girl in a forest, like so. As you can see right there, it's pretty reactive. You'll see this option that says AI strength. The lower the AI strength, the more the image will follow your Canva or your paint. The higher it is, it will lead to AI strength. Basically, you're giving AI the power to decide what you're typing here. So the sweet spot on this one for me is 0.65. So I'm just gonna put it like so, put a little bit on the end. And basically for this one, I can have some variations, like so. Also, you can also put something here, not just on that part right there. For example, I'm gonna put it a big city, and you'll have it like so. It will be in a city soon. Now let's change our model because it's freaking me out a little bit. I'm gonna go for concept. Perfect. Or cartoon for now. Let's go for cartoon. And there we have it. We have a big city background. That being said, we can add some more shapes here. So I'm gonna add some square on this end right so. And with that one, we have a square, like so. And then I'm gonna generate some more here. For example, I'm gonna add some circle inside the square. Now you might not see it properly because the color is the same. Give me a second here. Let me just delete that one. I'm gonna import a circle now. Perfect. And for now, let's have some more fun. Let me just remove this generate image. And then I'm just gonna focus on the shapes. So I have a circle here. I'm gonna add some triangle. Like so. Perfect. And then if I right click, I can duplicate, bring to front or bring to back. That will be my own preference like so. So let's have some more fun here. Let's explore some more tools. So I'm gonna add some shapes here. I'm gonna go with circle. This is the most famous one. And then I'm gonna add some color there. For example, I want a little bit more yellow, so it will reflect on the sun. As you can see like so, it will depend also on the color, not just by the shape. So I have a sun like there. So if I click on it and make it a little bit more dark, it will change its color, as you can see like so. And then I'm gonna change this one. For example, I'm gonna answer random prompt, and there we have it. And now I'm gonna add some more image here. You can upload, by the way, some image here if you want. Let's try uploading one, okay? I'm gonna upload this guy like there. Give me a second to load up. I'll get back to you once it's here. So I have this guy. I got it from Pixels, by the way. And with that one, you'll see it really reacted on the photo on the right. So I'm gonna put it a little lower so it will follow my AI a little bit. So I have an image now. And by the way, guys, you can play with this one until you have the one you're looking for. So right now, I only have a pink background, photo of a guy, and a circle. And as you can see on the left side, it's pretty good looking as of now. If I add some more shapes here, for example, I place it on this end and change the color to red, it will give me a different result. Like so. If I can twist it also. Even the how it looks like on how it's shaped on the angle, it will change the result. So we just want to show you the limit here would be limitless if you check it like so. So I just want to show you here that the limit here is actually by your imagination. The idea here would be depending on your perspective on how you play with the tools here. That is going to be image to image for you. Now for the next tool, we have paintbrush or eraser size. For example, you have a shape already. I'm going to create a heart shape eraser. Let's try this one, if it will reflect. And there we have it. For the paintbrush, I'm going to just enter the size, enter color. I'm going to go for red also. Brush size, and for this one, I'm going to put number 1, 2, 3. I just want to see how it will react. So it's not really reacting properly. I'm going to just decrease the AI strength and follow my numbers. There I have it. I have a number now on my old photo. And now that being said, I can change the portrait. I can change the concept. I can change to CGI. This is pretty powerful for now. And I can also change this one. For example, I want it to be ninja in a city. And let's see how it works. Give it a bit more AI power because it's missing some powers there. And that being said, that is pretty good. Enhance it and you'll see it's been enhanced. Download it with no problem. Now this is going to be text to image and image to image for you guys. And these are the options if you want to undo, redo, and basically delete or clear Canva. Also, you have your choice to your background like there. If you want a pure white, a little bit more LED, a little bit more yellow. As you can see like here, everything is good. Everything is being reflected as you go here, real time. You have a choice of photo for your background. You have a choice for textures and illustrations right there. Okay? And that being said, let's move on with enhance. So click on this button right there to go to the enhance section. And for this one, basically just drag your photo. Now I'm just gonna drag a photo I got from earlier, this one right here. Let me just open it and I'll get back to you once it's here. So there we have it. As you can see, it has a prompt right now. And trust me, I did not type this prompt. The moment that it was uploaded on the AI read the photo and type the prompt. Also, you can choose how much you'll upscale it. For now, I only have access to 2x or 2 times upscale because this is going to be a free trial account. If you have the paid version, you can use 4x up to 16x. You can also choose the style. For example, you want photorealistic, you want a digital art, and so on and so forth. The AI strength for this one will follow the prompt. So for now, I think the sweet spot is 0.6. I'm going to remain as it is. For negative prompt, I'm just going to add some noisy here to avoid some noisy pixels. Blurry, like so. Click on enhance, and this will take a few minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here we have it. If I pan on the right, you'll see the image has been enhanced. Because on this part right here, it still has a blurry on the face, the pimples, and some noisy characters. Even the background is blurred, the eyes has been enhanced, right? So basically that's it. You can also download it on this button right there, and you have it on your PC. That's the idea of enhancing. Now let's move on with the last part, the patterns. So go back on Crea landing page, click on this button to go back. So this is going to be the Crea landing page one more time. Simply click on that AI patterns on this option, and you'll open up the patterns landing page. So you'll have choices to enter a prompt, you'll have choice to open some patterns here, and so on and so forth. But for now, let's focus on prompt. I'm going to click on the randomized prompt right there, because I don't have any idea on how to work with this one. So a cavern hit by thousands of glowworms creating starry night illusions. I'm going to click the one more. Make it more simpler. I'm going to click one more time. How about this one? I think this is good enough. How about let's just go to the basic one, circle. Perfect. And then change some patterns. I want from preset like there. And then this is going to be heart in the name of Valentine's. By the way, happy Valentine's for you guys. Enter text. I'm going to type here. Give me a second. Tutorial. Tutorial like so. Click on accept. And with that one, you have text as a pattern. But for now, I think I'm going to remove this one because I want my pattern to be the heart one. So you only have one option to choose here. Either a pattern for heart or as a text. But I don't want this one, I want a heart. And then this being said, I'm going to randomize one more prompt to make it more appealing. Click on advanced settings. So on this end, you have advanced settings for pattern strength. This is going to be influencing from pattern to the final image. So the lower the value, the more it will influence or reference on the pattern instead of the prompt. So I'm going to go with 0.9 here. For guidance scale, smaller values are more static, larger values obey the prompt more. I'm going to decrease this also because I want it to obey the pattern. So for negative prompt, this is going to be the low quality prompt, the bad quality image with artifacts. So if you highlight this one, you will enable these options right there. For this character, you can avoid them. That's use of negative prompt. For the fusion steps, as you can see here, number of denoising steps, high values will make generation slower but more dealing. I'm going to rate it as 30. It's a default value. For seed, basically this is going to be enabling and disabling. So for now, since I don't have a generation yet, I don't have a seed, so I'm going to disable this one. You can enable it and change the seed if you want on other patterns. Okay? So disable it like so. I think I'm good here. Click generate. This will take approximately 10 seconds. Again, I hope it will give me a heart value. Again, only one choosing of patterns and text, okay? Because earlier I used them both and end up with a weird looking pattern. So there we have it. I hope it will look better. As you can see right here, it's a heart inside a trees. It's like a Africa. So if I click on it, it will open in a new tab. On this option, you can just simply click on right click, save image, and then you'll have it on your PC on PNG file mode. There we have it. Let's go back in it. If you want to generate some more, I think it will only allow me one because I have the free trial. But for the sake of this discussion, let me just change some patterns. For now, let's use this one. Click on generate and wait for it to finish. I'll get back to you once it's here. And there we have it. We have a little bit swirly going inside the cliff dwellings in Colorado. If I click on it, this is going to be in a new tab and I have it like here, full image. Again, right click, save image, and you'll have it on your PC with no hassle. That's the power of Krea, and if you're gonna ask me personally, I am really shocked on how good this AI is. So please check it out and leave in the comment below on how it feels for you and how it works for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.